Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video we'll check if we can change theme of the PS5 like we could on the PS4. So firstly let's go to settings and now enter system. Let's search for any display settings. And unfortunately we can't change the whole theme of the console. The only thing we can change is the display of the console when we select another game. As you can see right here, we've got the Horizon theme, then we've got the FIFA 22 theme or Soul Calibur. So each game changes the console theme. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.